Greetings from the Medheroes. I'm Taikhum Canteenwala.
And I am Jamila Patanwala. We are from class 9 and we study at MSB Education Institute, Pune.
We have often faced situations where there was nobody to guide us in terms of first aid when met with injuries such as cuts, bruises, or burns. This thought encouraged us to make this project. Our project is based on machine learning.
So in our project, you just need to show the wound in front of the camera and it will give you the required remedy for it. Let us give you a demonstration of the same.
Welcome to the Injury Analyzer. Show your injury in front of the camera. Put ice on your bruise right after you get injured. That can reduce the size of your bruise, which may allow it to heal faster. The cold temperature from an ice pack makes the blood in that area flow more slowly.
So this is how our project works. Hope it helps you in your cuts, bruises and burns.
Thank you.